Tanglei Hada Manipur Kanbal of Relief Camp Committee Oinam and NSS Oinam observed May 3rd yesterday. An interaction program was also organized along with the victims residing at Thambal Marik College Oinam Relief Camp. Several tributes were offered and a 2-minute silence was observed to show homage to the departed souls on the occasion. Speaking to media, victims explained their struggle for livelihood and expressed their earnest desires to end the year-long conflict. Highlighting their challenges when a resident falls sick, they raised their concerns to return to their respective homes. Apart from the shelter and food provided by the government, people questioned about the duration of their stay at the relief camps.
Matam sangna koi sahi ma phare aduna koi ware hingbada ware dirikenda pusi ka apikam nakre mai der na khamgira budi mam lewa paja padu khamgira budi adu akui rike basa koi aya na lai kiduna ba akui mangjana su ai ja do kitang di lai le su dang tamang ngamdra idra koi se kamai toro ka ja chu singje imana ba kanu da ngambang ngamdra idra koi khajabani
koi la chela ki matam isa sin ipuroi ba yemo akui me